Hello, I'm Carol Jean. Welcome to my video. Today we're going to be painting a hummingbird with fuchsia flowers in acrylics. We're going to use layers and I'll show you how. So stick with me. Here we go. Great, we've completed our first layer of our painting. And this was a layer that now we're going to put glaze over it. And don't be afraid to put your glaze on it because it looks white, but it really isn't going to end up white, as you can see. And we'll cover this and let it dry, okay? You're going to have some depth in this kind of a way. Yes. And so I've got my white. I've always got white. And white is the only color I use from the tube. And here we go. Okay, so I've got the white. I'm putting a few dots of the white on. Okay. And then, yeah. And then I put some of this red. And this is a red I've mixed with different reds. You can see purple in there too. Different colors of red, purple, blue, and white. And then I used approximately 2/3 of this is gel. So it gives a color where you can see through it a little bit. Depending on how much paint you use, is how much you're going to be seeing through it. And at this stage, I don't want to have. I'm going to take some more out. Whoops. I'm going to take some more out and at least put some right on. See, it's a see-through layer. And when you do that, it adds that depth that we want. Yeah. I hope you're enjoying your painting with me today, your paint along with me today. Yeah. Because some of these were going to be lighter and then some will be a bit darker in color. Whoops. That's okay. Yes, it is there. But she just wanted. There's no mistakes. No mistakes. Watch. Because this is your piece. This is your artwork. It's no one else's. It's for you. You're doing it to express yourself and to express your feelings and who you are. Source coming from? Where's the light? Where are the shadows going to be when I decide where the light is? Okay, not exactly as you see it, just a painterly. And remember, you can't make any mistakes. This is your painting. You're doing this for you because you want to have your time and your special time, and maybe you're just one thing that you need to think about is not overworking your painting. I see an area where I'd like to get it just a little bit more right here. Oops. Yeah, just put a little more in there. That's it. We're done. We've completed our hummingbird, our beautiful hummingbird and fuchsia flower painting. Thank you for joining me. I'm Caryl Jean. Come with me for another artistic adventure in a new video. Okay? Thank you. Bye now.